have you ever attended a sex education lecture in school, college?
They first showed us the plans and all.
Plans?
Yeah, they showed you.
Plans to mate?
Yeah, there are plans.
So what kind of plans did they tell you?
Hey, babe.
No, not me, babe. Not me, babe. Hey, dude, you've got this. You should do it with her.
That I have.
What is sex education?
That awkward lecture in school that you got in the 5th and the 8th for some reason.
जिस टाइम पे हमने स्कूल क्लियर किया तब ये कुछ था ही नहीं सेक्स एजुकेशन
Teaches you everything about how a man and woman should procreate and bring into the world something beautiful.
You're the next Mother Teresa. At which age did you guys get it?
16, 17, I guess, maybe.
5th they basically told you that okay, women don't have things, they don't grow at a later stage.
Verma sir, teacher in class 9, so he just said one thing. बस बच्चों मेरी एक बात याद रखना, भिगोया, धोया और हो गया.
When I was in school, I think till the 8th or the 9th grade, I did not know what condoms was.
Nowadays kids are like behind losing their virginity at the age of 14 or 15. Do you think it's a trophy or something?
It's a myth amongst the Indians. Oh my god, 7th standard people are, going through sex education. It is bad. But people do it in 6th.
Which is the weirdest sex myth you heard as a kid?
When mommy daddy cuddle, you get a baby.
Maybe that's why guys don't cuddle after sex.
Oral sex makes you pregnant.
Swallowing gets you pregnant.
Do you guys think sex education is important in India?
I think it's very important, especially in our country.
हाँ, नहीं देंगे तो बढ़ते बढ़ते 500 करोड़ हो जाएंगे ना हम लोग.
I believe it's important because it's like the spring theory. उसको जितना spring को दबाओगे, that is how bounce it comes back.
Especially with girls, there are things like what's a good touch and maybe what's a bad intention.
I certainly believe it is because of these things, these cases of rape and all happen because the sex in turn takes a violent turf.
How did you come to know about sex?
Porn. Sorry, no.
From my mom.
Indian parents avoid the topic every time.
High five to your mom.
My take on sex was fantasize about your teacher.
Oh, teacher. Naughty America.
I knew about it, but the technicalities was something that my friends educated me about.
अब दोस्त इतने हरामी होते ही हैं जो बताते हैं. सबसे पहले तो मास्टरबेटिंग करना सिखाया था कैसा होता है.
Masturbating क्या होता है?
हिलाना.
और सेक्स कैसे होता है?
घुसाने से.
It's a type of
I got it from my friends at the age of 15.
You know what they told me? How meeting was done? Like you call out to your partner like animal, "Tutu!" and then she says, "Mama!" and then we just come together and meet.
Okay. No, that's not how it goes, right?
What did you learn?
Choose wisely.
अभी तक वर्जिन है इसको पता नहीं है
यार भाई वर्जिन है. Will you please educate me about sex?
I think you should tell me.
Yeah, I don't know about sex. She doesn't know about sex. I think we both should go and find it out. ये सेक्स क्या होता है?
मुझे भी नहीं मालूम. हम लोगों को सेक्स के बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं है. हम लोगों से पूछ रहे हैं ताकि हमको थोड़ा ज्ञान मिले.
I don't have idea.
I don't want to. देखो आप हमारी ज्ञान मत मारिए.
You don't know anything about sex.
No idea. Sex.
Sex. क्या sex मतलब?
Sex is this amazing thing that happens between a man and a woman. So you know your little thing down there that moves around? That thing gets an extremely sensational pleasure off a woman. That's what sex is.
ये मैंने कभी किया नहीं. जब करूँगा तो बताऊँगा.
फोटो भेजोगे?
हाँ चलेगा.
पक्का? मैं अपना एड्रेस दूंगा मुझे चिट्ठी लिखना.
I prefer a woman to give me that pleasure with the guy down there.
Does this woman want man? Yes. So being Indian, took up the responsibility of educating this pretty little girl who is 12 years only and will be double her age in 3 days.
By the way, it's my birthday on 5th April.
We got it right. What is that one sex education tip that you want to give everybody who's younger to you right now?
Use a protection and don't hesitate.
Don't be afraid to talk about it. Use protection. And if someone is making a random plan, so don't be hesitant about that. Just do it.
आओ सेक्स करे, सेक्स का है ये मौसम. आओ सेक्स करे, मिलके तुम और हम मजे का. मजे गाने माई नी माई मुंडेर पे तेरी बोल रहा हूँ सेक्स बी सेफ डोंट बी सॉरी यूज ड्यूरेक्स ting 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 ting. Use protection because prevention is better than cure and this thing doesn't even have a cure if you get a bad STD. पता है STD होना कितना महंगा पड़ता है? इससे अच्छा लोकल कॉल लगाओ. लोकल कॉल लगाओ.
I agree.
Exactly. So like this video, share this video, comment down below with more of your sex experiences and I hope by now you must have been educated about this thing called
Subscribe.
no sex.
No, subscribe. Forget sex.
No, why forget sex?
Okay, have a
Remember
lot of sex, but subscribe too.
Being Indian.
What do you mean you have other female friends? You are cheating on me. I know you are.
One of the people that owns the most number of dogs that has ever been recorded in history turns out to be Kublai Khan.